Today in Earth and Space Sciences, we are going to learn a little bit about the concept of surface area and how that affects things like permeability. We're going to take a step back and look at the concept of perimeter. And today we're going to work with perimeter of a triangle. And down the road, we will take that basic concept and look at what happens when we look at the actual surface area of three-dimensional things. So, first thing that we're going to do today is make sure we have our ruler ready, and we are going to draw a triangle on the paper that has 21 centimeter sides. So here is my triangle with 21 centimeter sides. One of the things that helped me with this is I came in and put this mark at the 10.5 centimeter point from the two corners. And then I used my pencil to put a light dotted line up like this. Then I laid my ruler here at the 0 and moved my ruler so that the 21 touched this line here. And I repeated that process over here. I've labeled my sides as far as how long they are, and I've written large triangle perimeter equals. So simply add the lengths of the sides of the triangle at this point. Our next direction will be like the direction where I made this line. You will find the 10.5 centimeter distance on this side of the triangle and make a dotted line out to this corner. And you will find the 10.5 centimeter point on this line and do a dotted line in pencil over to here. So you're making pencil lines like this. You've already got one here and a pencil line like this. They should meet at a single point. You can put a pen dot there, and that is your center point. So the next thing that I was able to do is measure and put a dot 7 centimeters from this corner. I then put a dot 7 centimeters from this corner. Then I connected the dots. You should do that at the next two corners. I have now labeled the length of the sides of this small triangle at the peak, and you should do that as well. And you can see I've now drawn the other two corner triangles, each with sides of 7 centimeters. The next direction will involve this center point again. So what we're going to do is connect corners such as this one and this one to that center. We'll do the same with this corner and this corner to this center, and we'll do the same from this corner and this corner to the center. So at this point, this is what your picture should look like. I would like you to add up the perimeters of the 9 small triangles. And you may place your answer up over here. And then we'll have a discussion about gravel and sand and sediment size and perimeter. When we're done with that, I want you to consider being able to repeat the pattern inside one of these smaller triangles. And if you're really interested, complete all the triangles. And if you're really interested, repeat the process in the smaller triangles. And a nice imagination experiment is, how long can you continue to make smaller and smaller triangles?